Bro, why does Roblox always decide to crash the exact moment I'm actually having fun? Like, everything's smooth, I'm chilling, my Wi-Fi's perfect, game's going great, and then boom, connection lost. Like, what do you mean connection lost? I literally have full bars, bro. And it's always when I'm doing something important. Like I finally beat that impossible obby, or I'm about to win a 30-minute match, and suddenly, frozen. Everyone's stuck midair like statues. My character's just hovering like he achieved spiritual enlightenment or something. Then I try to rejoin, and Roblox hits me with servers are down for maintenance. Bro, maintenance for what? It was fine 2 seconds ago. You can't just decide to ruin my entire mood on a random Tuesday afternoon. And the worst part? Everyone runs to Twitter like, is Roblox down? Yes. Yes, it is. We all suffer in together, bro. Roblox crashes once, and the whole internet loses its mind.